Rickstar Club 3063 for 6245 013 for 722 for 27 3 for 9517 for 5 for 1 for thank you so much Po.
River. You know, but I don't know because I saw, you look dark green or dark black that I saw it there inside. You look. You look. And this one too, you look, it's like put. It's like put. But you look. How beautiful. This jade. Look. It's like put. And this one has a lot of nice different color. And I still saw another. Yes, another gold inside. See? But you look how beautiful it is. It has a lot of different color. There is red, pink, blue, brown, white, yellow, purple. Wow, very nice. Very nice stone. White. There is a lot of different color. Brown too. Hey, look how beautiful this stone too. See, so I'm still looking for the buyer so I can buy my tools to start my jade stone test. So maybe I will career to do this kind of business. But you look, there is gold inside too. Aside from a lot of different colors, there is also gold inside. Wow! You look how sparkling this gold is. You see the gold there? There's a lot of sparkling gold. You look this side, it's many gold on this side. You see? You see how many gold there this side. This side too, you see there is a big gold there. You see? There, here, and here, and here, and here too. And here too. Wow, this is very beautiful stone. So I am looking for the buyer for all my stones. So I still keep looking for the buyer and finding a nice stone in the river.